In this video, I will demonstrate how to perform the OR function. The OR function evaluates logical statements to determine a true or false result. Only one statement has to be true for the condition to be met. So what I'd like to do is have a true result if the instructor teaches more than 4 classes or less than 4 classes. So to get started, I'm going to select E4, navigate to the Formulas tab, Logical, select OR. For the first logical test, I'm going to click in cell D4, type in the greater than symbol, and then click on cell C21. Since I'll be using this cell as I copy this formula down, I need to make this absolute. And then the second logical test, I'm going to click on cell D4 and type in the less than symbol. Click on the number of max courses for the instructor. I need to make cell C21 absolute, and then click OK. And I'm going to autofill that down. And as you can see, I have several trues here because this instructor teaches more than 4, more than 4, more than 4, less than 4, more than 4, and this one is exactly 4, so I receive a false. This one's less than 4, and so on. This one's exactly 4, so it reads a false. The OR function is often used in conjunction with the IF function, so keep watching all the videos in my series to make sure you learn how to nest the OR function within an IF function.